Welcome for a channel.
Welcome to the mighty Zambezi, guys.
Sali Bonani. I'm PK.
And I'm Nay.
And together we're PK and Nay.
Welcome to part 5 of our vlog of our recent trip to Zimbabwe. Before we start today's vlog, we just want to say Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for those of you that took a second to go and subscribe to our channel, to go ahead and like our videos. We truly appreciate it.
And to comment. You guys have been commenting as well, so which has been pretty cool.
And like we've been engaging with some of you regarding the place we stayed, or maybe the combi driver that we used, or Chef Nathaniel. That's what we really want to promote. Just a little bit of our community getting together and enjoying just a little bit of Ekaya.
Side note, can y'all see the growth? I mean,
Mama's working.
Come on now.
She's out here.
Listen, I just want to take just like a little quick second to address, like, from the first vlog. I don't know if y'all been paying attention.
Go look at the first vlog when we leave California. The first vlog.
Listen,
go look at her hair.
Listen.
And then look at where we are today.
Listen, I just want to give a quick shout out to Mama Bay over here. She's been hooking it up. And you know, I don't know. So join me on this vlog journey. I don't know where it's gonna take me, but I'm excited to see where it's gonna go. But like, yeah, you see it. Hair's a little luxurious, if you will.
You see it.
On today's vlog, we had a choice to go whitewater rafting or the jet boat. So whitewater rafting requested us to be there at 5 a.m. So that was definitely not an option.
Nope.
And then the jet boat, we had to be there at 8 a.m. So that was a little bit better.
However,
team too much over here.
Okay, listen. The night before. Okay, look. If you watched the last video, there was a game room.
There's a game room
at the Airbnb that we're at.
So what do you want us to do?
Drinks, games.
You know how that goes.
3 a.m.
So 3 a.m. comes along and we're still up. So needless to say, maybe when we got there, we weren't like 100%. We were still, you know,
tired and
exhausted, if you will. Just, you know. So it was like, whatever, dude. We're just going on a jet boat, okay?
Right? Hop on the boat.
We're hopping on the boat. It's gonna be like boo, boo, boo. We're gonna see the falls. It's gonna be pretty. No big deal. What's the worst that could happen? That's what I thought.
It's gonna be fine.
It's fine.
Come on, Brian.
It wasn't fine.
All right,
so scared.
My name is Brian, and I'm going
Brian.
to be your trip leader.
Hi, trip leader.
We're going to take care of you guys while you're on this jet boat activity.
Okay.
All right, so let's in the indemnity form, answer the questions that you have, and then up. All right, come and get me on this guy.
Alright, Blair, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
We about to do it.
I'm ready.
So we have to acknowledge that the whole time we've been at the falls so far,
It's been raining.
it's been raining.
Yes.
Prior to this though, the whole time we were in Bulawayo,
It meant sunny skies.
hot.
Listen,
And here we are at the falls.
you're looking like Seattle.
I need a helmet. I'm next.
Gifted.
I'm gifted, meaning I got a big head. Show your gifts. You did. You did. Wow.
I'm ready.
Oh, cool. So you got a big head. See, me and Al got the white ones. We're okay. You're right. And the adventure begins. Where we at? Make sure the shit works. Can you do me at the bottom? Almost a little snug. No, I can't breathe. Woo. We're already slipping and sliding already. We're gonna be going down there. So here we go. Here we start the trek.
So the floor was a little slippery.
Come on, let's go.
Halfway, guys, you can make a celebration. You made it halfway.
Yeah. Alright, you ready? I'm waiting for him. Yep. Please, because I don't know where we're going.
And then here go our guide.
Here's Brian. So hold my shoes.
Right. I have better grip in the water.
What kind of padding does your feet have?
I was like, I don't need no Nikes. I got the Bryans, baby, all day. I will say, the waterfalls, they felt amazing because it was very humid down there.
It was.
It felt so good.
It wasn't cold. It wasn't.
No, it was perfect.
Man, submerged. Ow.
So we were following Brian, and this is where he led us to.
Oh boy, trying to get into this boat. I don't know. The view. Where's the bridge? Oh, the bridge is up here. There she goes. There she goes. She made it. Yeah. Just getting in the boat, my G. Wow. That was a lot to get to this goddamn boat. Woo. But mama, we made it. Woo. Ah. And the bridge, we're under the bridge. Ah. It's kind of dope. Wow. It's pretty scenic out here. We made it. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we outside. Yeah, we outside. We on a jet boat, fam. We on a boat.
Turns out we actually ended up getting the whitewater rafting after all.
Some of these rapids, when we hit them, you're sitting in the boat and you're holding on, and literally as it hits, you literally stand like your full extension as the boat hits.
Yeah, she stood up a couple of times.
Couple of times. It's like, do we need seatbelts for this?
Right. I mean, I feel like maybe we should have stepped in, but you know. Starting to turn the corner and approach the falls. And so we couldn't see anything. It was just like in our face.
It was pretty crazy, and neither one of us had experienced the falls like this before.
Yeah.
You typically see it from eye level, kind of like right here, or we've seen a lot of videos of it, or people have been in a helicopter view. Yeah. But we got to see it this time, literally coming from underneath.
So where the cloud, like
that smoke,
the smoke that you see, that's where we were.
At certain points, we could not look. We could not face it.
Yeah.
You had to kind of turn and use your body as a shield, or you use the helmet as a shield.
As the boat turns, right, and we are able to visualize the falls, right? So now the water is not splashing in our face, but all you're seeing is like the mist and
Spray.
the cloud that, you know, the falls creates. And then he kind of just like positions it, and you're like, oh Jesus, okay, let me see what's going on.
Right, you clearing everything.
Clearing everything, and then like this little cloud curtain opens up,
Right.
and then you see the falls.
You just see the water.
just like a little sliver, like
Yeah.
just, oh my gosh. And then in that moment, you're just like, I have arrived.
It's a moment.
Yes. And to see it though, like it wasn't just super clear. Like that was the part for me personally that resonated with me, was just like he was
Through the mist, through all that smoke,
Yep.
the smoke that thunders.
and then you see
You
it.
see the water, and you see
then-
it falling and hitting.
Yep. And then you have the guys telling you the story about the history of this space, of like the people that used to live here back in the day when the white men discovered this land. Like,
Colonization.
you know, so all of these, like, so in that moment, all of that, and you're just
Yeah.
like channeling basically like your ancestors, and
Yeah, yeah.
it's a spiritual moment.
It's a moment where
like-
you realize these waters at some point have been told the story of evil, but at the same time these waters have provided life and given just beauty and reproduced and evolved. And it was such a spiritual moment.
And they're like a constant, right, through the seasons, even though it may be low or high or whatever, but it's still there.
Right.
Every year, it's a constant.
We actually paused and we said thank you.
Yeah. And then we cleansed ourselves of all the bad and all the negativity
Yeah.
that our lives have had. Like, because when else do you get to be?
When do you get to have that?
Yeah,
At
exactly.
home, you know?
Yeah.
And our guides, Brian and Douglas, they got it. Because when they saw what we
encouraged
were
it.
doing,
Yeah, no, they totally.
they actually drove the boat in a little bit more.
Yeah.
And they just kind of allowed us a moment. They quit talking and we just got to be in the smoke.
And we all took our time to just kind of just be like, everybody just got silent
Got
for like
quiet,
yeah.
but it was so loud.
Yeah.
It was such a powerful moment. If you all ever got the opportunity to hop on this jet boat and get under the Victoria Falls,
Yeah. 10 out of 10 recommend.
do it.
Yeah. 100%.
Even after a crazy night in the game room,
It was worth it.
do it.
So, once we got to experience the falls, we started to head back. Little did we know that there was more to this experience. We thought we were done. Brian was like, no.
I don't know how we missed it.
I didn't know about this.
See, we hiked down.
And that was enough for me. I was like, ooh, that's plenty. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, the experience. Yeah, it's great. And then he was like, no, you need to go back to where you guys parked. And
We are now climbing. Forget the hike. We are climbing.
so those stairs,
Are now boulders.
I don't like it anymore. But we had to get through it.
Like, we have to. This is the only way back.
That whole little trail that we took down, now we have to go back up. This goddamn hike is exactly what I thought it was going to be. Terrible. We're about to die.
With real stairs.
Blessing is out, down for the count. Elliot was over there showing off. I don't know where the hell she got all this goddamn energy from. But we're gonna get it. You ready?
No.
We can push through Ecuador.
It hurts.
We can push through.
What
was it?
I could stand my 2 feet and go side and
It
side
was
and
cold.
side and side.
It's hot.
I gotta go on hands and knees for this.
His hands and knees, my G. And hope not to die. Oh my god. We made it to the top. Bust the knee and everything. Made it to the top. I've never been so happy to see the top in my life. Except for Ecuador. Set the back down. It's too much. Oh, we did it though. No, not yet. You gotta make it to the top and then faint. Yep. You made it. Whew. Good job, guys. Good job.
We head to House of Zulu to have something to eat because we are just done.
Tired.
Like, we
Exhausted.
just need nourishment.
Play that.
A good trip so far. Hanging out with the family. We're at the House of Zulu right now. Zuluing it up. How was your day today? How was your day, Vito?
Today,
Yeah, talk about today for a bit.
I am exhausted. I need food. I feel like I am lethargic because I don't have energy.
It's been a long day. And it's only
3 o'clock. I personally could have been in the bed about an hour and a half ago.
we were supposed to go ATVing after this little restaurant situation.
We're going to BED.
Oh, be horizontal for a little bit.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
That's that African vibe for you, baby. You gotta wash your utensils.
Water. Just wash our hands because this is what we use.
But yeah, we made it. We did it. We're alive. We're about to die.
I didn't. My legs were shaking. I still haven't quite stopped shaking. It's been a few hours. I still feel steady. I feel like I'm drained.
Right.
So our food is pulling up.
Yeah, all the activities that were planned for today just got canceled.
Everybody is
As soon as
like,
it got, I'm like, I ain't doing that shit.
no need.
Yeah.
So if you do that activity, you want to sleep through the night before, not like us.
Team too much over here.
Doing a little too much.
Yeah, boy. And
There's the devil's pool.
oh, this is the devil's
This
pool.
is the devil's pool.
Alright. This is how my niece killed me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is how her story ends.
This is it.
This is it, you guys.
So is it like a glorified Long Island iced tea?
But it might as well be.
Do they put Coke in this?
I don't remember the.
Yo, this devil is deviling, my nigga. How many of those are you gonna have? You better act right. But don't have too many of those. But pull me a little cup. Oh shit! Eat first, girl. So welcome, guys, back to our channel. I'm PK. This is all right, cool. So our niece is over here trying to kill us. She killed me earlier, so I'm gonna let her kill you now.
We'll kill you again on camera.
Did you do yours?
I did mine. Here we go.
Okay, so what is
Devil's
this?
pool. Devil's pool. I don't have the menu, so I forgot what's in it.
whole bunch of
It's a
liquor.
surprise.
And there's something sweet.
Is this the kitchen sink? There's beer in here.
Is that what it is?
There's beer, right? There's beer in here, right?
There's beer.
There's beer in here.
I didn't even know.
Yeah, I can taste the hops of a beer.
Is that what that's?
I barely even know.
What is this?
You don't like it or you like it?
This should be a shot. Like that flavor is severe.
Oh, that's the beer. That's
Yeah, what you're tasting is beer.
Alright, cool.
Food's here.
Food's here.
Hey y'all, thank you so much for watching our video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tell someone about Zimbabwe.
I'm PK,
And I'm Nay.
and together we're PK and Nay.
Siyabonga.
Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just out here in the middle of Africa and it's amazing. Can I just say it's like a spiritual feeling and I love it.